Hey guys, and welcome back to Polaris News. Today, we will be talking about plastic in our oceans. And not just plastic in our oceans, but anywhere. So, plastic is a problem that is unsustainable because killing animals is everywhere. In the oceans, in places like there's a dog here. Dogs playing in trash. And it's killing animals everywhere, like in the ocean. Animals in the ocean are dying from plastic, from eating plastic. And when they eat plastic and we eat them, you see, it's not good, because that means we're eating plastic. So, what's putting all of this plastic in, you say? So, what's putting it all in is just when we put trash on the floor, or we litter, or we put anything trashy or wasteful in, you throw it away. If it goes out and goes into like a river or a lake that goes onto a river, all of the rivers, even if it's not close to an ocean, it flows into it because all rivers flow into the ocean. So all of that waste goes into the ocean, and when that happens, it's just not good. So what I'm going to do are just like recycle stuff. Like I'm gonna tell people to recycle, pretty much. So what happens is when you recycle, they take the stuff, they like melt it kind of, or like shape it into a different form and make it into something new. So they kind of reuse it, but not really, because it still like harms the ocean and like the atmosphere to get it to the place that you want it to like recycle, the place that recycles it. So what I am going to do is I'm going to put up posters around like my house and around the city, kind of, maybe around the school, and just inform people about what can be recycled and what can't. Because when you recycle something, it's way better than putting it in the trash and making it go somewhere that it's just going to go into a landfill. So other people will help recycling. Like if I tell other people to recycle, then they can do it, and then more stuff will be recycled. And so then what you can do is you can tell other people what can go in the recycling. Because if they put it in the landfill, or if they put the wrong thing in the recycling, then the whole batch gets thrown out. So here is Joa. Bye. Okay, so Joa, this is Joa.
Hi.
So I'm just going to ask you a few questions about the ocean and plastic and stuff. Okay. So the first question is, what plastic do you use the most, like, and throw out the most?
Like Ziploc baggies.
And why are they useful to you, kind of, or why do you choose that over like containers or stuff like that?
Why I choose Ziploc baggies is because they're really easy to like zip and hold like your Cheez-Its or your goldfish, but as a container it's this big bulky thing you have to like put in your lunchbox, and then Ziplocs are just like small and they're really easy, but I haven't been using Ziplocs the past couple weeks, so yeah.
And do you recycle?
Yes, we do recycle, or I do.
So 2 more questions.
Okay.
So what do you think of the plastic problem, I would say, or like waste everywhere, like, and what would you do to help that?
I think it is extremely bad for the environment, and that if we keep using it, it's going to kill so many species, and it's soon gonna get to us and harm us, and it's just gonna take time till it gets there, but we need to start doing more to help this problem, or else it's just so bad for the environment. And what to do to help is just inform people. I think what we should start off with is straws, because you go to a restaurant anywhere, they give you usually a straw. So I think just trying to limit your impact of consuming or buying plastic, and then informing others so they can do the same, and then we'll slowly make an impact.
Well, that's all the time we have today. See you guys next time on Polaris News.